Hi, my name's Flossy Rocks, and this is my tiny house on wheels, Siren the Step Van. I love cooking, I love foraging, and today I am back at the shipyard.
My biggest challenge is to not get overwhelmed.
Which means replacing a whole ton of beams. And guess who has a long vehicle to transport things in? We've just gotten out of the ocean, come back to Simon's boat, and...
Okay, so I am afraid of crabs, for the record.
Back again! Good morning, everybody. I am back at the shipyard, boatyard, and I am here today to help Simon out. So Perihelion is his big sailboat, and he is completely restoring the thing, which is a ton of work. So let's go help.
Different types of sanders, like I got a new little belt sander that goes into that groove pretty good, and I got some wire wheels that do that pretty good too.
Yeah.
I need to sand everything in the inside of this cockpit. So I've kind of started on these benches.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to pull the caulking out of these because you can see it's separated.
Yeah.
So those have to be done. That's a bit tedious, I can do that. But then all the other bits can be sanded.
Okay.
Pulled out.
You got multiple sanders?
I've got, yeah, 5 or 6 different sanders.
Where are you glassing now?
The cupboard and the bathroom are just gonna get glass. They're the last thing to go. And then I'll probably put a few more layers right here by the stanchions.
Yeah.
Or the stays, sorry. You know, my biggest challenge is to maintain kind of a level head about this project and not get overwhelmed. You know, on Old Dog, I got overwhelmed a lot because there was so much to do. And I really struggled to do even like the small tasks, and instead I'm treating this boat as a series of 10,000 small tasks, and every day I wake up and I just scratch like 2 or 3 or 4 off the list, and that's it. That's all I do every day, and I wear a little Hawaiian shirt, which helps a lot, and I just have a good time.
Yeah.
And I treat it like I'm on vacation. And if you wear a Hawaiian shirt and you listen to enough salsa, you're on vacation. Doesn't matter how much fiberglass you're doing. Characters are a lot more complicated than they look.
But Honey's the most complicated of them all.
Yeah, it's a full-time dog petting her. That's it.
Bless you. Oh, I'm covered in sawdust. I'm sorry if that sawdust is going in your nose.
As you know by now, Simon's rebuilding the sailboat back deck, which means replacing a whole ton of beams. In one of the recent videos that I edited for him, he took a sledgehammer to back of it and chopped it all out. But the beams need to be prepped. I'm assuming planed and smooth and all of that kind of stuff, cut. They're very long. And guess who has a long vehicle to transport things in? So we're gonna load up some beams in the van and take them somewhere to a guy who has a mill, I'm assuming.
Tell me when we clear the end.
There's still like 4 4 feet out.
Okay, keep going. Are we in?
No, we got a foot and a half out still.
I have half a foot left.
Well, we might have to just plunge it where the door's shut.
That's fine. Yeah, we'll see in the next ones we'll be able to go up a little bit higher here. But that's as far as it goes.
What's your, whatever this furry thing is?
It's my gnome, because it's my
Is it a
home.
gnome?
Well, sort of. Yeah.
Kind of looks like a fuzzy sex toy.
Yeah, actually a strap will be good, because I can bunch it off from the inside.
Right.
But then if we strap
The outside?
the two black...
Got it.
Yeah.
I can do that.
This is crazy. That's a lot of wood. These are freaking heavy. Honestly, these are so heavy. I'm surprised we managed to get them in. The doors are strapped closed. Wow. I am glad that I have a really long vehicle so I can help my friends out. Holy moly. We're going to be driving very slowly for both of our suspension's sake. Look at this. Those are the light ones. You ready?
Let's do this.
Okay. Creaking, creaking. We did it. I am absolutely pooped. Never lifted such big heavy things before in my life, but this is definitely a mill. Alright. Time to go. I think I'm actually gonna go chill for a minute and then we're gonna go for a dive. Like, because we didn't already do enough things today. Woo! I am gonna be sleeping well tonight. It's gotta be one of the craziest but most beautiful roads. Gorgeous. Let's go do this. It was raining before,
Sorry.
and now it's not.
Where the hell I left them. And I just remembered to set them next to a boat I was going to dive.
Oh, because there's another spare set of fins in my dive bag up there.
That's okay. These are right over here.
Okay. Okay, that's not too bad.
Yeah, it should be like 12 feet or 15 feet here.
Yep.
You gonna get this shot? We'll both go in together. Oh. Sorry.
Your feet? Oh, your fins? That was close. Long day. We're really hoping to finish up the day with some fish, but the visibility is such that you can't really see more than a couple meters in front of you. It's spring, it's been unseasonably warm, we've had some rain, and there's lots of nutrients in the water. Oh, and my face is funny. Anyway, I'm having a great time. I'm just enjoying being able to be in the water diving. Post-dive shower. I'm happy. And now I'm time to grab the crab out of the freezer and take it out to Simon's boat because we're gonna make crab, tuna, and sea urchin sushi. And it is just a gorgeous evening. Like, look at that. Whee! Beautiful. Good old Siren moving a ton of big, I think it's oak deck beams today. So proud. We've just gotten out of the ocean, come back to Simon's boat, and Simon has never seen a Puget Sound king crab in real life before.
Right.
Now this is only half of it.
It looks like dinosaur parts.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can pull it out.
It's as sharp as it looks. Like it's poking holes through the.
Oh yeah.
Through
It's
the bag.
super sharp, spiky, pokey, but it's the most amazing colors.
It's very colorful. Oh. Okay, so I am afraid of crabs, for the record.
Aww.
It is a fear of mine. Crabs and lobsters are the animals I am most afraid of.
Yeah.
And it is exactly this part right here, like the carapace, right in the middle of its chest where all these arms come out. Mm-hmm. Something about the shape of that feels very... And this is like a monkey's paw. This looks like a monkey, like a mountain lion's like fist or something. That's crazy.
Like...
I need a better... It's too big.
Yeah. Damn, I could have brought a pot with me.
Alright, I got this one. So the sea urchin's right here. Do you want
Oh
to try
yeah, I
that?
want to try sea urchin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give this on me in a second. Just one straight up.
Cheers.
That's so creamy.
It's so good.
It's
It's proper good.
might be one of my new favorite sushi things.
Sea urchin. It's
Sea
so
urchin.
freaking easy to get, and there's so much around.
That's great. It's got like, it's a nice complement to something else. So I feel like if I made an inside out roll and I put it on top, that'd be the ticket. And then
Well,
like,
sometimes they
put,
just
like,
get
salmon or
plain piece of sushi rice, and they make it in that little bowl,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you put a little bit of like wasabi or something underneath, and then you just lay it on top, and that's it.
nigiri. Nigiri.
That's the one. Yum yum yum.